Ano man ang iyong hilig, ano man ang iyong ibig, kahit saan ka mang panig. Was a Pilipinas, pagkain man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit na sino pa ang iyong angkan. Was a Pilipinas, was a
How are you
Pilipinas.
doing? I am Drew Asuncion, and I will be your head camp ranger, guiding you all through the campus DVDs this afternoon. And I'm excited to spend the Easter Olympics special afternoon with you all. Now, before we... Someone who loves to dance, someone who brings happiness, and someone a favorite na lahat. One more time!
So was a Pilipinas, was a Pilipinas, was a Pilipinas.
Ayan, ready na nga kayo?
Was a Pilipinas, was a
Reading niyo ba yan?
Pilipinas, was a
Parang di na siya makapag-intay to welcome our camp superstar and to lead this camp jam. Roms, feeling ko, pahihirapan mo ako ngayon eh. Feeling ko pahihirapan mo ako today, Roms. Okay, papasayawin tayo lahat ni Roms today. Alright, kids? Sino magaling sumayaw? Taas kamay. Magaling sumayaw. Alright? Pwede ba lahat ng kids tayo kayo? Yung mga magagaling sumayaw, come on! Let's go! Kids! You're not supposed to sit all day long. You're part of this. May next step pa, Roms? Okay, sige. Eh, yung step number 1, remember, step number 1, nasa step number 2 na tayo. Proper waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last step, Roms. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2.
Hamonado? Chicken hamonado, tama. Hindi na kayo mahihirapan magpalasan siya. Luluto nyo na lang, promise, masarap siya dahil na-try ko na siya. At saka, syempre hindi mawawala ang bestseller natin dyan, ang medium premium eggs, specialty eggs, top toricatsu cheese and chives, na lagi ko rin niluluto sa mga anak ko, at ang chicken nuggets. Alam nyo, ang sarap talaga nito, promise. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-try, kailangan nyo nang i-try. At sa mga nagta-try, ituloy nyo lang yan. Steak!
Oo.
May tapa!
300 points sila. So, meron tayo sa pang round. Okay. O, sige,
300.
pili ulit kayo.
O, eto mataas na to, 200
Ikaw
points
ulit?
ang
Okay
isang
lang.
sagot.
Ay, hindi, si Mami naman, si Mami. Ayaw
Happy Family Day. Pero nandito tayo ngayon, nagsama-sama tayo para sa Bounty Fresh. Basta wag na kayong ma-stress, mga mami, mga daddy na nandito.
For the photo-ops.
Yes.
Alright? Campers, what an amazing adventure we had today. Parang ang bilis ng oras, no? Parang bilis. Parang kanina lang, nagtitipon tayo sa campsite for games, surprises, and new memories.